Hey buddy, I've been building this Lego of the Hogwarts castle, and I thought about you while I was building it at some point. The Legos are made in a way that lets the original Legos fit together with the current one. They're always going to fit together, even the ones made 50 years ago. And I thought about you because a runner and a swimmer had asked me about how to PR in every race. This is an important question because PRs mean that you're improving. What challenges might there be if you focus on running a PR every race? While there are some objects, like Legos, which can be checked to make sure they are always a certain way, people are not like that. Objects that aren't always the way we want them are usually thrown away. But people are not thrown away. People live with the outcome of an event, even if it's not what we want it to be. We want to try our best, and remember that sometimes our best is not going to be enough. When that happens, it's important to talk with your teammates, your friends, or your loved ones. Learning a skill can be hard, and receiving help from the people who care about us can help us build the inner strength which helps us to keep trying. Because just like you will not always PR, you will not fail every single time either. What benefits might there be for you if you focus on your mental and physical skills during a race? Like we have talked about before, when you focus on what you can control during a race instead of the outcome, you might find that you worry less about having a perfect race. I am proud of you for investing your time to try your best and for supporting your teammates and thinking realistically about their races. You do not need to do anything special to be liked by others. I will see you next time.